before.
This sort of breakdown occurs only about once in a lifetime.
The worst two-day streak for the market since the early days of the COVID pandemic.
Millionaires are made in market downturns like this, and the longer the price stays low, the bigger the opportunity, especially if we can be greedy when others are fearful. That's the best way to get rich without getting lucky. I get greedy when every news station starts broadcasting news like this.
An exceptionally brutal day on Wall Street.
The stock market suffering major losses on the heels of the president's tariffs.
What is setting up to be the worst day for U.S. equity markets since at least the onset of the pandemic.
See, most people don't know that Bitcoin's price is being artificially suppressed right now. Most people think this is natural. This is the price Bitcoin's supposed to be at. Wall Street and powerful elites are using this tumultuous time to buy crypto assets low, all while the mainstream media scares retail away from these bargain bin prices. Luckily, we have a Wall Street insider, Matt Hogan, CIO at $6 billion Bitwise. He says that smart money is loading up big, and if Bitcoin was truly in a free market, its price would be a lot higher than it is today. He says there is no way Bitcoin's price stays this low for long. There is mass suppression going on in crypto like we've never seen before. Listen to his theory here, and you tell me if you agree or disagree.
There has been so much fundamentally positive news, and it's just been buried sort of in the background. We've caused ourselves to ignore it. There's the strategic Bitcoin reserve. There's the SEC pulling back on essentially every lawsuit. There's progress on stablecoin legislation. There's talk of market structure legislation. There was the White House crypto summit. These are game-changing positive developments that should put Bitcoin trading at $150,000 or $200,000 today. It's been suppressed because in the short term, this overhang of the economic uncertainty is weighing on the markets. I think if that is released, we're at new all-time highs quickly, and we're on our way to where I think we'll be at the end of the year, which is Bitcoin 200,000. So I think there's been this sort of suppression of really good news. If that suppression is removed, I think it's a coiled spring. So in that scenario, I think we do exceptionally well.
Is there anything else that needs to happen to get us to Bitcoin at 200K by the end of the year?
I don't think so. You have these three horsemen of insatiable demand for Bitcoin. You have ETFs, which I continue to think will have strong net flows this year. You have companies. We saw MicroStrategy buying more Bitcoin. I think the number of companies buying Bitcoin is going to triple this year. I think the game theory is on. It's slower than people maybe want in this impatient crypto world, but I think countries around the world are going to be buying Bitcoin. So there is structurally more demand than supply in Bitcoin. I think all we need is to release this sort of economic gloom that's hanging over us. If we do that, I think it's straight to the races.